great of an idea does this seem? Hey, let me go ahead and try and disguise my iPhone as a literal gun. So the trigger actually works. It'll make a sound. So if you really phone, basically you've got a fully working iPhone right here, and yeah, so it just goes into your pockets, and what you're really banned, like you cannot buy them anywhere else. Popping my iPhone SE into here, we've got a metal frame here, it clips in just like that. No, I don't want software update, and essentially this is right here. Let's see how sharp this is. So my Nokia case, or phone that I bought, you can gut someone pretty easy. Alright, so he's on my channel a little bit ago, made a whole video on them. So stun gun cases, this is the older version. Kind of when it actually hurts my ears in a little room. Oh shoot, that was nuts. To kick somebody's butt. Let's go ahead and slide that in. Doesn't have a headphone jack area. And let's see how it fits. So I'm assuming you use it like this. Grand Theft Auto here. Okay, so some wood here.